In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Spotify gift card balance. Before we dive in, here's the key truth you need to know. Spotify doesn't show a traditional wallet-style balance for gift cards. When you redeem a Spotify gift card, it converts into a set amount of premium time. That means you won't see a dollar amount anywhere. Instead, the practical way to understand your remaining value is to check when your premium access is set to end. That end date is effectively your balance. Here's how to find it quickly and clearly. Start by opening Spotify either in the app or in a web browser. Using a browser often gives you the cleanest view, but the app works too. Make sure you're logged into the same account where you redeemed the gift card. If you have multiple accounts or emails, double check you're in the right one. Otherwise, you won't see the correct information. Next, head to your account page. In the app, this is typically under your profile or settings. In a browser, you can click your profile picture or name in the top right and choose account. Once you're on the account page, look for the section labeled subscription or payment. The exact wording can vary slightly, but it will be the area that shows your plan details. Now, tap or click Manage Your Subscription. This takes you to the page that summarizes your current plan and payment status. Here's the important part. Look for the premium end date or the date that says your premium will renew or expire. If you've redeemed a gift card, you should see that your premium access extends out to a specific date in the future. That date tells you how much time your gift card has added. For example, if you redeemed a 1-month gift card today, you'll see your premium end date move ahead by about a month from your previous renewal date. A couple of quick tips. If you recently redeemed a card and don't see the change yet, refresh the page or sign out and back in. If you're on an auto-renewing plan with another payment method, your gift card time usually applies first, and regular billing resumes after the end date you see here. Also, if the app view seems limited, switch to a desktop browser for the most complete breakdown, and that's it. Since Spotify treats gift cards as time rather than stored money, your premium end date is the best and most accurate way to check what's left from your gift card.